Now the part we're going to be replacing today is the turn signal switch or multifunction switch, or some people might even call it a combination switch on this 2001 Dodge Intrepid. Now we verified that this is the problem, and one thing we also had to do is verify that our new switch matched the original switch with an intermittent wiper function. It does. So you can see I've already gone ahead and removed the upper and lower covers here. It's pretty straightforward. There's two T15 screws came in the bottom. I used my 90-degree hook tool to split it apart, and I also used a T25 Torx bit to remove the tilt lever here. So once that stuff's all out of my way, now I can actually get at the switch, and I'm going to take my inverse Torx socket, an E4, and remove one of the two screws. Now that one came out right there. I'm going to get rid of the extension and go after the other one from the top here. It's at about the 12 o'clock position. It's kind of difficult to get the camera up there, but you can see approximately where my ratchet is located. Should give you a good idea where to find the other screw. All right, now that I've got that out of the way, I can actually disconnect one of my electrical connectors. Got another wire harness kind of clipped into place here. Okay, so now that I've got my wire disconnected and my two screws out, I can pull this up, and I've got one electrical connector to disconnect here. Now sometimes it's easier to get that off while it's plugged in. Sometimes it gives you better access with it off. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in right now. And I'll go ahead and slide my new unit into place. Put some of these wire harnesses kind of back where they need to be. Here a minute before I get too involved. Click that in. Now I'm going to go ahead and install my two inverse Torx screws here and mount the unit down into place. Now once they're both completely tightened down, I'm going to ensure that all these other wires are clipped into place and not going to be rubbing or causing any other issues once I put all my covers on. But you see I've hit the hazard button, hazard sound. I can grab the key. Turn to the run position. Verify that my turn signals work. Verify that my windshield wipers work. And I'm not going to spray myself right now with the washer button, but we'll have confidence that works as well. Now I can continue wrapping up, putting on my covers, and just like that, the job is done. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what it takes to replace the combination or turn signal switch on a 2001 Dodge Intrepid.